Hello traders, here we are on this cable trade over here. Currently right now we did trail the stop loss to this orange line. We've been stopped out by this big bar. Overall we had two positions, one profit and one loss. We're going to be analyzing all of that and how we should be dealing with that as well going forward. This and more on this trading video. Hi traders, welcome to our live trading session video today. I'm helping us in our mission to support us in spreading the truth of trading and helping you achieve consistent performance. This is Tune Upon here, founder of Master the Markets, Illiterates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So thank you traders for joining the Master Markets team today. So here we are on the cable position. Now if you've been following us on our Trading View channel, on our YouTube channel, you would have seen that on this position on the cable, as I've talked about before, we did enter on the blue line over here. Stop loss for the high of the day and the target for this green line over here. Now, however, what did happen as we went along, you can see that we had two positions taken, one for a short scalping position for a 10 pip move, and then the other one for fulfilling the range of the day. And you can see over here on the records over here that the first position was a win and the second position was a loss. Okay, overall it's about a small 36 pound loss that we had over here.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
Now, how should we be handling this whole thing? Think about this traders, right? So we had a stop taking bar over here, we trailed our stop loss to that. We had to give it enough room. We couldn't have trailed this even more aggressively as we proceeded on. And the reason for that is because you have to stick to your plan, and as it moves towards a larger target, you have to give it more space. Because think about this, right? What if it did this? If I were to draw all of this now out, what if it did this? It came back down, and instead of this big green bar, what if it did this? It just went up a little bit and then came back all the way down and then towards your target. What if it did that, right? So then you would have been gutted if you had trailed your stop loss too aggressively. So what's the answer to all of that? You must know how the trade is going to go towards your target, which is what we call the order route. How will it move towards my target, or how much will it move against me, which is also known as MAE, or maximum adverse excursion. Okay, so you must know all of that too. Now, the other thing also traders is that right now, just because we saw this big fat green bar doesn't mean we should now chase the market towards the long side. Now, why is that? Because if you remember with my previous videos, what you've seen over here is that if you take a look to the upside from the open, if you take a look from here to the open all the way to the top, now how much has it done? Now let me just update that very quickly for you guys and you will have an idea. It has done 40, so let me just update that. So just change that to 40 over here, and then at the bottom over here you can see that from there to the bottom it has done how much? So it has done about 31, isn't it not traders? Now overall, if you add up both of those sections, so we got from the open it's done this, and then to the low it's done that. So there's 31 here and there's 40 to the top from the open. Altogether if you add it up is 71 pips of range. Now that, according to the ATR, which is 83 from yesterday, that has already reached more than 80% of our ATR, which is usually 64, and that is more than 64 pips for the day. And that is when we know, you know what, it's a wrap for today. No more trades, not going to chase the market, not going to lose. my profits from previous trades even more further. That's how we come to a conclusive decision on what the market is doing and whether to take another position. Okay. So, and the last thing what I want to tell you all is that know your trading plan, know what your entry is, your stop loss is, your target, how to trail your stop loss, and eventually you have to let the law of numbers look after itself for your edge to realize itself of your strategy. Okay, and that's how you keep on with your consistent execution because you know why your strategy must continue to work and you know all your parameters of your strategy. All right, traders, just a quick recap on all those points. First is know your order route. How will your trade move towards your target and trail accordingly? Second, don't chase the market. And thirdly, know the edge of your strategy and focus on your consistent execution for your law of numbers to realize themselves. For you, some of you who might not be very familiar with these terminologies or want to learn more about this methodology and approach trading in a more systematic methodological way, I'll highly encourage for you guys to look at our Trader Starter Pack 5-day video series, name, email address, and number, and you can get this free 5-day video course designed for both beginner and intermediate traders. You see, this is collated over 12 years of our research and with our cumulative team experience of 38 years as well being in the industry. We've been going on since 2010 Master the Markets. And that is what we are known for, giving a systematic methodological approach. Okay? All right, traders, that's pretty much that from me on this video. If you've got any questions, just put it into the comments box. Other than that, as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.